Hi, I'm Steve, the Nomadic Monkey. Welcome to the Hoover Dam at the border of Arizona and Nevada. Come join me on a walking tour of the Hoover Dam. Today is Saturday, May 27th. Temperature is 90 degrees Fahrenheit or 32 degrees Celsius. The side I'm on right now is the Arizona side. There are two areas of paid parking. Down here is one of them, and the other one's the garage. It's $10, or you can park along the road on the Arizona side. They have parking, they have like little parking lots, and then those are free along the side of the road. You just have to walk a little bit. Coming up here is the Spillway on the Arizona side. There's also one on the Nevada side. The Spillway has been used twice, in 1941 as a test and in 1983 because of flooding. The Spillway, and then you got the dam over here. The Hoover Dam is a concrete arch gravity dam in the Black Canyons of the Colorado River. Half of it is on the Arizona side and half is on Nevada side. So it's right, the border goes right in the middle. You got the giant hole up there underneath the bridge for the spillway. We're in the midst of a couple of decades drought, so it's not going to be used anytime right now. The Hoover Dam is located 30 miles or 48 kilometers southeast of Las Vegas. Construction began in 1931 and they finished and opened in 1936. The cost to build this dam was $49 million at the time. It was the tallest dam in the world when it opened up. Now it's the second tallest in the United States behind the Oroville Dam in California. Over 100 people lost their life building this massive dam. Here's a close-up look at the spillway. Whoops. Don't want to drop my phone down there. It would not be good. Today, the Hoover Dam is a tourist destination. It draws around 7 million people a year. It's located near Las Vegas, so that Las Vegas brings in a lot of tourists. So a lot of people come here every year. Hoover Dam is named for Herbert Hoover, the 31st President of the United States. This right here used to be US Route 93, and all the traffic would go over the Hoover Dam.
It's not necessarily about the things that you said.
Since 2010, they had a Hoover Dam bypass, and then the US Route 93 no longer goes over the crest of the Hoover Dam. Here's looking towards the Colorado River. The Hoover Dam right here impounds Lake Mead. Lake Mead is the largest reservoir in the United States by volume when it's full. The water level at Lake Mead today, as of May 27th, is 1,053 feet, or 321 meters above sea level. Last summer in July, it hit a record low of 1,040 feet. Over here on the left is the Mike O'Callahan and Pat Tillman Memorial Bridge. It's an arch bridge that is part of the Hoover Dam bypass project. Now it bypasses the Hoover Dam. You don't have the congestions and backup on the Hoover Dam. Now if you come to Hoover Dam, it's just for like tourist purposes. Right here is the Arizona intake tower. There's one on the Nevada side. That clock is a little bit slow. It's reading like it's like reading 4 minutes slow. Arizona doesn't observe daylight saving time, so in the fall, when Nevada falls back, Arizona will be an hour ahead. So on this side will be an hour ahead of the other side of the Hoover Dam.
Good.
Thank you. You can see the white bathtub ring where the water level used to be. So the bathtub ring is from the mineral deposits on the rock wall. And with the drought, the water level has been going down for almost 2 decades now. In the last couple of weeks, it's been going up like almost a feet a day. This year is projected to go up, supposed to go up more to like 1,060 feet by the end of the year, due to the snowpack level in the Rockies this year. This side has no shade, so everyone's just standing on the other side in the shade. Got the Arizona intake on this side. and the Nevada intake on this side.
Y los tiempos.
And in the middle right here, you have the state line. Right now, I'm on the Nevada state line now. Nevada side of the state line. The only shade you have here is on that side towards the, that's where everyone is standing. This side, there's no shade, and it's just scorching hot.
Cayó el trueno, no quieres saber de eso.
2 days ago, I was in the mountain in Mammoth Lake. It was cold. It even snowed for a little bit. It was like a little above freezing. And then today is just scorching hot in the desert. The Nevada, the clock is the same as the other side right now because you spring forward. When you spring forward, both sides has the same time. Thank you. No one wants to be on this side because there's zero shade. Over here is the old exhibit building. You got restroom over here at the exhibit building. Over here, the Monument Plaza is under restoration. You got two sculptures over here with a flag. So these sculptures are the winged figures of the Republic. They're 30 feet high, or about 9 meters high. They're part angel, part symbol of strength of men. And go ahead. And they're created by a Norwegian immigrant sculptor. His name was is it Oscar Hansen? I'm not sure if I pronounced his first name right. And then this way goes to the visitor center and the Hoover Dam tour. There's two tours. You can do the Hoover Dam tour for 30 minutes. As you get a 10-minute video and an hour guided tour, or you can do the power plant tour, which is $15. You get the 10-minute video, history video, and a 30-minute guided tour. You get the elevator to the visitor center. The escalator under restoration as well. You got the food and gifts over here, and you got the parking. Parking is $10 here and $10 on the other side. Free along the road, like I said in the beginning of the video. So you take the elevator and then you go to the visitor center, the Hoover Dam Visitor Center, which is this building right here. But you can't enter through this side. This is the exit for the visitor center. And here is, you can't see down to the water right now until I get a little bit further this towards the middle.
आपल्याला ऋषाली
You can see the water now. You got the Arizona powerhouse on that side. The Nevada powerhouse is not visible. You got the Memorial Bridge on over there. And you have this engineering marvel built in 1936. Is 726 feet high, or 221 meters. When it was built in 1936, it was the tallest dam in the world. The water it impounds for Lake Mead, as well as the electricity. It provides water and electricity to millions of people in Nevada, Arizona, and Southern California. It's been featured in many movies, including Transformer, the 2007 Transformer. If you lay the concrete next to each other, it will go from San Francisco all the way to New York.
Not coming back up, huh?
Not today.
It's supposed to, right?
Yeah, when it's windy, it'll come back. Got the bridge, the Colorado River, and the two powerhouse. There's the observation deck from the, you can see people moving from the observation deck at the visitor center. You got restroom right here.
Loki, ato na paparas, ato na.
That 5 second of shade felt good. I will end the video on the other side of the dam, back on the Arizona side. Boulder City, Nevada is a city nearby here. It didn't exist until they were planning to build the Hoover Dam, and that whole city was just built solely for to house the 5,000 people that work on the Hoover Dam. It feels so good in the shade with the slight breeze. This one almost the middle. Yeah. If you come to Vegas, it's just a short drive, about 45 minutes from the Las Vegas Strip, out here to the Hoover Dam. Yes, danger, keep off, wall. This thing is so massive that when you see people in car, they look like little ants. You got little cars down there and trucks down at the powerhouse. No more shade. That's what I should have done. Bring an umbrella and create my own shade.
Mándale la foto a Carla y va a querer agarrar avión para acá.
The dam was built as a water storage in Lake Mead, creating electricity for recreation, as well as for flood protection down the Colorado River. Right now I'm on the Arizona side again. I believe that this memorial bridge is the second highest in the United States. I'm not positive of that, but I believe it is. Thank you for joining me on this walking tour of the Hoover Dam, and I'll see you in the next video.